What's going on YouTube? This is Doc Myers. I'm going to be unboxing the Corsair RM850X power supply cables, of course the power supply as well, but mainly focusing on the cables as well as the Cablemod C-series cables that goes into this power supply, not really focusing on the amount of cables of what comes in what and all of that, but more of the quality of each, because I'm curious to see which one's going to go into my PC build. So let's find out.
Get 'em, Doc. Get 'em, Doc. Get 'em, Doc.
And we are back. We have the Corsair RM850X power supply and white cables. We have the Cablemod C-series white cables, which fits into this power supply. I will not be getting into all of the extras of which comes in what box and what does this and all of this and that and the things and stuff. I'm strictly doing this to see the quality of each as a comparison. That is it. I'm just trying to determine what's going into my new PC build, so let's get started now. Alright, and I'm not sure why so many YouTube videos, everyone starts off like this and then they end up talking like this as they put the pamphlet down. And here's this. I'm not going to be doing all of that. So let's have the cables right here. All right, let me slide this out the way, because we are focusing on this right here, what's in this little pouch. Let me hold up this one for you guys right here, the 24 pin, so you guys can see what it looks like. Let's see if we can try to get you guys a pretty good shot. Maybe you guys can see how these cables look exactly. Feel really good. Very sturdy, durable. I like that, durable. Because what's going through my mind right now is, of course, what goes through everyone's mind, the cable management and how they're going to fit in that case. All right, so you guys pretty much get the picture. And right now we are going to open up the Cablemod C-series, and major shout out to Cablemod, man. Thank you guys so much for sending this out to me. They they caught wind that I was building a all-white PC, and they sent me over a little custom kit. Now, what's in this box right here, the link will be in the description, but these cables that you see right here though, yeah, they put those together for me and they sent that out to me. So yes, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I really do. I really do. All right. Let's start with the box. The box. As you can tell, I am very excited. Very excited to see what is going on here. Pull this, pull that. Uh-oh. Getting down to it. Well. What do we have here? Okay. Okay, so I'm noticing instant difference. Let's just go ahead and start with the 24 pin, shall we? Let's do that. Let's which one of these don't look like the other? Okay, so this is the ones from Cablemod right here, and these are the ones from Corsair. Now if you notice, these are the standard cord. They're corded, but the ones from Cablemod, they have like a I don't know, feels like a shoelace type of material going over it, as well as this bad boy right here. right here. What's this? Oh, you didn't. You guys didn't. Oh my gosh, so I don't have to buy these separately? What? So it already has 3 combs on it. So you can just, it's already cable managed for you. What? Let's just take this box right back out for a second here, shall we? Let's just do that. Here's the box, all right? Power supply, it's pretty though. And yeah, we have another piece of styrofoam which holds the power supply. Hey, wait a minute. Nope. We do have some zip ties though, and a Powered by Corsair sticker that can go on your PC if you so choose, and of course the screws for the power supply. That's what comes in this bag. That's pretty cool though. That's pretty cool. And then there's instruction manual and there's a little bit of salt for your food. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. That's just, don't do that. No, there aren't any cable managing combs that come with the Corsair cables. Both kits will have more cables than you guys need. I just can't stop checking these out. Like, these are something else. Look at this. Look. You see it? You see it? I don't have to bother with like snapping these on. You just pull them as needed. Yeah, the other, the Corsair cables, they don't have these. And the quality in the Cablemod cables are something else. Also, cleared the cables out of the way that came in the bag. And, look at the ones that, oh, they didn't. No way. No way. You guys are something else. Cablemod, you guys are something else. USB 3, okay, nice. Very nice, very nice. I didn't expect the quality to be this nice with the Cablemod cables. I figured, hey, you know, they're both white cables. What could be different? Oh well, wow. I guess we know what's going in my computer bill, don't we? The link to the Cablemod C-Series will be in the description. The link to the Corsair RM850X will also be in the description as well. If you guys like to hang out with me on Twitch, the link will be in the description. I stream Monday through Friday, 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so on that note, God bless you guys. I'm out. All right, put these away. What is this? What do you know? More combs. Oh man, I can't